How to rank on Google using SEO. Have you taken the time to learn about SEO? But how do you get a web page to rank in Google now? A page can be ranked in Google in a variety of ways. So, here's the checklist for you. This checklist is meant to serve as an SEO framework. And it doesn't cover every case in depth. Instead, it provides a fundamental overview of how to rank a website from beginning to end. So you may build your own method. The 50-50 link building rule. Links are a very important ranking factor. You almost surely need links if you wish to rank. But you must first understand the rules. In fact, there are two 50-50th link building rules. 1. Assume that Google ignores 50% of your connections and that only 50% of your links are good. For a variety of reasons, including irrelevance, manipulation, disavowed, penalized domains, and others, Google will ignore or degrade connections. 2. When developing link-worthy content, spend 50% of your effort creating it and 50% of your time promoting it. Link building is a continuous process. Some types of material generate links automatically. But far too many people develop content in the mistaken belief that it will do all the work for them. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.